welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong Lajong FC falls to Northeast United in semi-final. St. Xavier's College celebrates top 10 success in NEHU exams. Journalist Snehankar Chakraborty promotes peace and environmental awareness in Sora. And Meghalaya Forum backs public hearing on coal mining. And now the news in detail. In a disappointing turn of events at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Polo, Shillong Lajong FC's hopes of advancing to the finals were dashed as they suffered a 3-0 goals defeat against Northeast United FC. Over 16,000 fans filled the stands, their spirits with high flags waving in support of Shillong Lajong. The first half saw the crowd's optimism remain strong despite Northeast United's goals. However, as the match progressed into the later minutes, the enthusiasm waned and the flags began to wane, reflecting the growing frustration. Despite a spirited start and strong support, Shillong Lajong FC could not overcome the superior performance of their opponents. The defeat marked the end of their impressive run in the tournament, leaving fans disheartened but hopeful for the future successes. Bashimti Snaitang, a student from St. Xavier's College, Southwest Khasi Hills, has achieved remarkable success by securing a position among the top 10 candidates in the Bachelors of Arts in Political Science examination conducted by Northeastern Hill University NEHU. This notable accomplishment not only enhances the reputation of her family, but also highlights the rising stature of the newly established St. Xavier's College. The achievement underscores the significant impact of dedicated teaching and commitment to students, irrespective of the distance from Shillong. This year, St. Xavier's College proudly sent its first batch of students to sit for the NEHU degree examination, marking a significant milestone for the institution.
St. Xavier's is not just an institution, but it is a platform to foster my knowledge, my wisdom, and then my personality. And there's so many experiences that I've had in St. Xavier. The competitions we have here. I'm overwhelmed with the opportunities that I've had, the lessons that we have learned, and the growth that we have experienced. I remember when I first walked to the doors of St. Xavier's with a mind full of doubts, a heart filled with fears and tears in my eyes. I could not believe that all of that expression suddenly changed when I experienced the symphony of love, learning, and unwavering support here. And gradually, St. Xavier's has become more like a home, a place to learn with love and care, a nurturing ground for growth, and a beacon of hope for a bright future. And my dear juniors, you are the luckiest to study here in the best and prestigious college which strive towards excellence. St. Xavier's is for all of us who can make the difference. As I leave St. Xavier's, I'll take with me the sweet memories, lessons, and my humble...
Guwahati-based journalist Snehankar Chakraborty, along with companions Santanu Moram and Rambabu Thakur, embarked on a bicycle journey from Guwahati to Sora on August 22nd to advocate for peace and environmental protection. Their mission included raising awareness about climate change and the urgent need for environmental preservation. During their travels through Sora's villages, they emphasized the importance of safeguarding natural beauty amidst changing climatic conditions. At the Shillong Press Club, Chakraborty highlighted the need for better support for journalists, including government provisions like pensions and self-insurance. He pointed out that over 3,000 journalists have been killed worldwide, often without due recognition. Chakraborty urged Meghalaya's journalists to continue educating the public on environmental conservation for future generations, underscoring the critical role of journalism in raising awareness and advocating for necessary changes.
It's not that.
We started our cycling from Guwahati to Cherrapunji on 22nd of August. Our motto is to create awareness on social security of journalists. Actually, what happened in 2020, the recorded number of killed journalists all over world is more than 3,000. It is the official number. If the official number is like that, 3,000, and out of those 3,000, 99% journalists have not got their proper, justified, any sort of justice, So that's why it piqued my mind.
The Meghalaya Mineral Land Owners, Leaseholders and Exporters Forum has endorsed the upcoming government public hearing on coal mining scheduled for August 27th in the West Khasi Hills district. The forum, representing landowners and chief clan members, voiced full support for the event, which aims to align coal mining practices with modern scientific standards. Forum President Hamarles Thaba and Secretary Charailang Warjri have encouraged members and residents of West and Southwest Khasi Hills to actively participate and support the campaign. They also thanked Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for his efforts in advocating for the revival of the coal industry, which has been under a National Green Tribunal NGT ban for the past decade.
Harkat kejing donlang jong member mengakung presiden di vice president bagi executive member ini akan si sekretari nila bendon nakadaw ba udon kakam kaki dari koi ketong koi jimut nilai pendai ini keren menin ba kandon kanika public hearing apa West Kasil ke Jongi, but Southwest, abis itu diganti yang duyong, mapok kendong Jongi, dengan ai kejeng kersan kebapura, kamtam sokar, pi officer, dan departemen kamtam ke DMR Forest, harangkat kejeng Ia yang yang bejung CM Jongi Chief Minister Konrad Sama balak ban pen poi hadu baneka genti ka thong ka juni bani sapoi no oput ba ila menteri yang diong saisin pagadi gi ka khuru ya kiti khumtam ki khasi garong juni pa jong song apa Shillong po thatiya nong juri di sekolah baro kawa kanong stay di moperat di pariang barok hi dia west southwest eastern west ni sala biang ban ki imbiang penuh dengan roy kata imlang salang ini akari tu jadi de nagadang mengaku presiden bat member sekretari ni da sungu adu batata yang sokar kamtam CM Chief Minister ba perempuan ada put makung lagi bros kata nado bakang gitu yang nado arajar katsau ni beliau kiba emangnya miklia Khubor.
This month, 3 Congress MLAs have joined the National People's Party NPP in Meghalaya, including Charles Marngar, the MLA and MDC from Mauhati constituency. Journalists visiting Mauhati have gathered mixed reactions from locals regarding Marngar's unexpected shift. Many expressed surprise and disappointment over his move to a party they distrust. However, some constituents chose to defer to Marngar's judgment, believing his decision may benefit the region. The general sentiment reflects both concern and acceptance as residents come to terms with their MLA's departure from the Congress party. The community's responses underscore a broader uncertainty about the impact of this political transition on local governance.
Men hak election barang sudah tu yang kesan ya kongres kan
nang kerja
teman dah hak election kebanuan pun rai no pada namar ba kongres kami ko
mungkin kerja bisa BPP ya kan nongrim jago BPP kalau pun snow kuat bi kerja kakak jeng snow jeng ke lalong nak pun si Shillong mo yang ba chas ikaw ay bat ba nila long kung bahaying sem Tengidon ka jing snowdu ka bakraw teng marba. Haka jing yabut jongi kat haka por bangi nilayo ban ya tebut karta ka jongi nilamelin ba ya ite ya ka kongres ka bai ka parti jong idon. Nakaliang jonga te snowdu nong ka bakraw hi. Ya ka jing but ka jongi.
Fishim nembak kan ke jingle jungi hatu ke jit kelai pi poi ba bala penjab nak sen kongres.
Kata tadi kawai yol este idan pat da kawai ka pangan tim tim. Jadi kita jong kelong along nak kumbang ila kam sakmat kenya kara kam ke jong ke bat ba kawai ke jing du nong long. Nah kata tengin tim mo tang ba kalong yok ka tiu sakmat hadin habut tengin tim. Ke yang mata Wisno lengok kan ba ila le pertama ila bot serta
Hatu shwa ba in rengko sakawai ke parti kadon nem ke sngau nak liang ka jong omen ini siapi ki pai ba.
kadon hi jing sngau nakaliang jongi ke subu kum nakaliang jongar ngadon hi jing sngau na marba ni san dadon kano perform ni kenat ite ya ka beres kelak nyata ite misalnya di ini ke kebakan ni ite long ya minta ke kajengkam jengki sakmat bai lale adu kata labut ya kata seng kumsalu isro ba jadi kepelang jong ini
Hatu nak liang ka pi sngau tan em ya ka NPP pan.
dang minta ke empat kata kajeng so penat ne hadin dala ya lam ini sakmat sakrang ke ngikip katanya kan
Kamu pi dang don di sana ya MLA pi minta wa poi ka NPP.
ngikip sik kan sanya ne pernah ne mar minta da ladang ini sanya nang de kasin banungkong ke ni habang sanya ni halau jong kita kan cini nak jong MLA jong ima hak banungkong ke mungkin nong kersan kibla Punjab ini don hi kita ka jing so benut ke jing song pendil ni dah kendit sisa hi ba ini nak parti kongres ngai.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.